Hi, good afternoon. Today I would like to talk about this headline. We're learning more about the deadly DC plane crash and also about this word. And this is the phoneme crash, crash. So the meaning of this word is to have an accident in a car, in a plane, or in a motorcycle, etc., by violently hitting something else. Something else about this accident. Dutch camera video obtained by the Washington Post shows a previously unseen angle of the moment a plane and a helicopter collided over the Potomac River on January 29. Something else about this event. The control tower at Reagan National Airport was understaffed Wednesday night. The victims, 67 people, died in the collision, including competitive figure skaters, service members and children. Family members shared memories of those lost. Now I'm going to talk about Donald Trump, the President of the United States. He baselessly blamed a diversity program for the crash. And something else to know about it. Without evidence, Trump said Democrats and diversity were to blame. He actually launched an air controller diversity program in 2019. In other Trump news, multiple FBI officials were told to leave their jobs or be fired. And an official tried to undo Trump's purge at US aid. Then he was purged too. Are you a federal worker? Think twice about Trump's resignation offer. And finally, we have these two words right here. They are synonyms. They are similar to this word, crash. So we can say clash and collide. Clash and collide. So all of this information was taken from the Washington Post today, January 31st, 2025. So it is all for today. Thank you for watching and goodbye.